স্মিতা টক্স ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ আপোনালোকক পুনৰবাৰ স্বাগতম। আজি আমি গুৱাহাটী ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিত থাৰ্ড ছেমিষ্টাৰ জিঅ'গ্ৰাফী অনাৰ্ছৰ পুনৰ এটি থিয়ৰী বা মডেল ডিছকাছ কৰিম আৰু আজি আমি ডিছকাছ কৰা থিয়ৰীটি হ'ল ৱেবাৰ্ছৰ ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিয়েল লোকেশ্যনেল থিয়ৰী। গতিকে পলম নকৰাকৈ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ বলক। Alfred Weber, a German economist, gave the principle of least transportation cost for industrial location. He tried to find the least cost location of the manufacturing industry by taking into account three important factors, namely transportation cost, labor cost, and agglomeration cost. To reduce the complexity of real world, he took certain assumptions. Assumption of Weber's industrial location theory. Number 1, the geographical area of industry is physically, technically, culturally, and politically uniform. Number 2, both the sources of raw materials and consumption centers are known. The transportation cost of goods is dependent on weight and distance. Number 3, the workforce or labor are geographically fixed. Number 4, due to high competition, there is perfect competitive pricing among the industries. According to Weber's industrial location theory, if the raw materials are weight losing or impure, then the industry should be shifted toward the region of raw material. For instance, sugar industry, steel industry, jute industry, etc. On the contrary, if the raw material is weight gaining or pure, then the location of an industry should be between the region of raw materials and the market. Apart from this, if the raw material is universally available, then the industry should be shifted near the market. Weber used the locational triangle models for the manufacturing industries which use more than one raw material. According to Weber's triangle model, the manufacturing industries are divided into two groups, namely weight gaining industry and weight losing industry. Therefore, the iron and steel industry, cement industry, etc. are come under the weight losing industry. Refer in figure number 1. লগতে মই ডায়াগ্ৰামখিনি অ্যাটাচ কৰি দিছোঁ যাৰ সহায়ত আপোনালোকে থিয়ৰিটি ভালকৈ বুজি পাব। Impact of labor cost on location of an industry. According to Weber's least labor cost theory, if the labor cost is very cheap at a specific region, then the industry would be shifted from the least transportation cost to least labor cost, provided the saving in labor cost would be greater than any additional transport cost. The labor cost is the major factor for the development of the cotton textile industry at the Alabama city of USA and ready-made garment industry in many cities of India. In figure number 2, P represents the least transportation cost and the circle at the periphery of P represent the isodopants, the line of equal transportation cost per unit of production. According to figure 2, the L1 and L2 are two locations which would save 15 paise per unit of production. C represent the consumption point for manufacturing good. Any location within the 15p isodopant would save more on labor cost than transportation cost as it is near the consumption point. Therefore, L1 is a more profitable location than P. ইয়াৰে মাজতে মই ক'বলৈ বিচাৰোঁ যে এটা ডায়াগ্ৰাম এটা থিয়ৰী বুজিবলৈ বা এক্সামত লিখিলেও ফুল মাৰ্কছ পোৱাৰ আশা থাকে, গতিকে ডায়াগ্ৰামবিলাক ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়, আপোনালোকে ভালকৈ চাব। আৰু বলক আমি পুনৰাই থিয়ৰীলৈ যাওঁ। Impact of agglomeration on the location of an industry. According to Weber's agglomeration theory of industrial location, sometimes infrastructural factors also influence the location of an industry more than the transportation cost and labor cost, as many light industries and footloose industries are not able to invest in structural facilities. তাৰ পিছত আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম criticism of Weber's theory of industrial location. Number 1, Weber did not consider the role of demand for good for the location of industries. However, he overemphasized the role of supply. Number 2, there is no reason which is physically, politically, culturally and technologically uniform, but he has taken his assumption to reduce the real world complexity. Number 3, due to better opportunity for employment, laborers often migrate, but Weber has taken labor as static. আশা থাকিলে যে ভিডিওটি আপোনালোকক সহায় কৰিছে। ভিডিওটি ভাল লাগিলে লাইক, শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব নাপাহৰিব স্মিতা ৰক্স ইউটিউব চেনেলক। ধন্যবাদ।